This session today we are going to discuss about communication theory. Communication means the information is to be transferred from one place to another place. It's called communication. So without communication, we can't make a good environment or good person. So here we are going to discuss about what is meant by communication, or why we go for communication, how we will make a communication transmitter to receiver or one place to another place. So here amplitude modulation is there, frequency modulation is there. After that, transmitter and the receiver topic also will be there. Then noise theory. After that, AM and FM system noise theory. We are going to minimization of in this information signal or message signal. So first one, without modulation, we can't make a communication for long distance. So by using modulation, we will achieve communication from one place to another place. For example, now we will send a message from Chennai to Canada or California or San Francisco. So through modulation only we will achieve our long distance communication system. So amplitude modulation. So this is amplitude modulation system. First type of modulation system. Modulation is the process in which amplitude of the carrier signal is varied in accordance with instantaneous values of information signal. At this time, frequency and the phase is constant. So this is amplitude modulation. So in this amplitude modulation, we will use for TV transmission or video transmission. These applications we are using for this amplitude modulation system. Frequency modulation system. Frequency modulation is the process in which frequency of the carrier signal is varied in accordance with instantaneous values of information signal. At this time, amplitude and phase is constant. Only frequency varied in terms of the message signal. So this frequency modulation we are using for Radio Mirchi or Radio City or Suryan FM or Kodai FM. These type of applications we are using for this frequency modulation system. Then phase modulation system. Phase modulation system is the process in which phase of the carrier signal is varied in accordance with instantaneous values of information signal. At this time, amplitude and frequency is constant, only phase is varied. So this is phase modulation system. So phase modulation system also, examples of phase modulation system or applications of phase modulation system, walkie-talkie or wireless communication, point-to-point communication. These type of applications we are using in this phase modulation system. So these are the different types of modulation system. We are going to discuss about amplitude modulation system. In this amplitude modulation system, double sideband full carrier generation and reduction, and second one is single sideband suppressor carrier generation and reduction, and third one is double sideband suppressor carrier generation and reduction, and fourth one is vestigial sideband transmission system. So these are the different types of amplitude modulation system. Second unit we are going to discuss about frequency modulation and phase modulation. Combined together we will call for angle modulation system, direct FM system, indirect FM system, or generation of FM. So detection of FM, Foster serial discriminator and balance loop detector and ratio detector, square law detector. These are the different types of demodulation process. So in this demodulation process, we will use in receiver side to demodulate the signal, separation of information signal as well as carrier signal. In modulation system or modulation technique, we will combine the information signal as well as message information signal and carrier signal combined together. After that, we will send in transmitter section or modulation process. Demodulation process, we will separation of information signal as well as carrier signal. Information signal, human speaking signal or human speaking signal, information signal or analog signal. Carrier signal means by using oscillator circuit, we will generate high frequency carrier signal. So this is angle modulation system. We are going to discuss about that. So these are the topic for second unit.
Oui, sir.